Good morning, beautiful family, out of the light and the water. Let's have some water together. How beautiful is truly connecting with breath and with water and presence before anything else. And when that becomes natural, when that is natural, because it is natural, and it's as natural as dogs greet each other by sniffing each other, and all the other animals, guinea pigs by running away, and birds and cats by moving around you. And yeah, let me show you where I am. Connecting here. I'm right here, surrounded by birds. Yeah. And when I turn the camera on to connect with you, that's not staged. There's always breath coming out of me. It's also what horses do, and whales, often being with horses, always says, they release. For us, when I come on here and speak, it's also a breath out for the collective, for the earth. Just, let's breathe together. And let me show you these beautiful birds I'm surrounded by. I love swimming with them and being in their energy. That's also how I deeper embody, that we are the bird tribe. There's a wonderful book called The Return of the Bird Tribes. Highly recommend reading. Turn that volume off. Something when we are surrounded by birds. I feel my heart lifting, my spirit lifting, and these beautiful birds that fly, that swim, that walk. And right now they are here fishing together, eating together, having their meal together. It's animals do, sharing food, coming together for sleep and meal times. There's also one, they are sovereign beings. There's one swimming there. Sometimes they fly off in all different directions, but they are a tribe. They are a flock. Without sacrificing themselves. What could be more joyful than being with them, than being in the presence of these divine beings, these beautiful beings? It's my heart always melts, explodes with the love I feel, the love I am, and these sacred meetings. Like I've shared with you in the last transmissions, a dream I never realized I had, that I am always surrounded by animals. Animals are, pure souls in all these different beautiful bodies. Isn't it amazing? Like, they are all shaped so differently, so divine, their beaks, their feathers, and the way all the animals move differently, their behavior. Isn't it fascinating? The abilities they have, these are amazing data birds. They just fly in, directly get a fish, and it's very amazing. And this morning at the horses there was also a willy wagtail, and he was just flying in the air, knowing exactly, and he just caught an insect. That's what they do. They are so in tune, reminding us of our interconnectedness. And the humans, which think they are so developed, are often eating the wrong things, drinking the wrong things, stressing themselves out, and and being in sickness. Wild animals teach us so much. So, 2 hour rewilding. Aren't they gorgeous? I can never get enough of watching them. Such beauty. They are all my children. It is beautiful when our mothering of our children like shifts and they are so much older, they are turning into adults. Then I am feeling my mother energy completely expanding to the whole. And yeah, these are all my children, but I don't possess anyone, I don't own anyone. Are you experiencing that too? There are some beautiful dogs over there, and the waves coming in. And I'm going to go now into these sacred waters and rebirth. I'm wishing you a really magical morning. You can hear the waves increasing. And honoring our waters. Honoring our waters means honoring earth, means honoring the feminine, means honoring life, means honoring the mother, means honoring where we have come from. Because what happens first when we are born? The waters break, or when we give birth, the waters break and then the baby comes out. We've been in water. That's why in our body, in the water, is the memory. And through water we can remember. As well as water and frequencies dancing together, and frequencies stimulating also the water to the water codes to open up. Yeah, that's very magical. Very, very magical. Yeah. So, another plane coming in. So much love and blessings. I see you soon, and always in the quantum field. Have a very, really, really magical day or night wherever you are. Thank you for coming on. Hello, Jake. Greetings to you. Thank you for your presence. Oh, maybe that plane wants to come in. It's also quite fascinating. I used to drive sometimes to places to watch planes from underneath when I was, I don't know how old I was, but very early 20s or something like that. Another lifetime.